Hello guys, in today's video I am doing voice reveal and I am on my account like usual, but in today's video I'm giving Vaeh a makeover. Even though she's already cute and shit, but she needs a more, but I need to be like quiet because like my parents are in another room. But yes, okay, we need to like give her another makeover. But yes, better keep those shoes, girl. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm just. But oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh yes, bro. Oh my god, yes, queen. Why am I so cringy? But then I need a skirt. I want to get a skirt because skirt. Where the hell is skirt? Where is that skirt that I like? Where's the skirt that I love? No, it's not that. But anyway, so like there's rumors about Msp having a movie star Planet 2, aka a second version. But there's heaps of it on Instagram and like TikTok and stuff. By the way guys, I do not do TikTok, I don't do it. But heaps of people in my class do, and it's real annoying that I do it. But I'm used to it. Now we need to get rid of this certificate. Wait, not need that, we need something like this. Okay. And then this. No, that's disgusting. I'm sorry. I'm picky with it. Like, if you are seeing what kind of computer I have a MacBook here. I am not joking about this, guys. I actually do. I'm actually gonna be keeping my hair. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god. And it is 10 o'clock and me and Dakota are doing what's it called? A writer. I forgot what the word was called for a second. But yeah. Like that. No, I don't want to go to friends, what the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. Now we need an animation. Now I want a chicken. Oh my god, she has a home alone. Oh my gosh. Like I gave her this. Just like don't come at me because like she is like the best. Okay. Like this. Yes guys, oh my gosh. This is so cute. But anyways guys, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button because I am actually like recording a voice reveal like real early, even though I don't want to say how much savage I am because like you'll see it. But anyways, smash that like button, subscribe, and like check out my videos because I make good content. I'm kidding, I don't. But yeah. So I will see you guys in the next video.